I'm sorry, but I have to do it. Alright. Alright, so we have ourselves a beautiful box right here. Perfect height and size. Perfect. You know what? I'm planning to create the world's largest boom box. As you can see, this baby is going to be big and it's going to be powerful as well. Alright, so the first thing is I have to patch up this box. First up by taping these lids or whatever shut, right? So we have to remove this old tape. That's the next step. And alright, so beautiful tape. Alright, how do we do this? We want, let's see, we want airtight, airtight. So, like that. 144 centimeters in length and 33 centimeters in width. Perfect. That's quite big indeed.
bright light coming from? What's that? Wait. Is that the world's largest boombox? Whoa. Doesn't it look nice? Okay, let's get some light. Because it's so bright. There we go. Alright, as you can see, this is a very large Bluetooth speaker. In the middle, I installed an LED strip. And then I installed 2 Pioneer speakers. There's the first one, nice and beautiful. Look at that. And then there's the second one. Look at that. And then I decided just to make these speakers and the LED strip pop. I decided to attempt to draw a car in the middle, right? Just to make it look better, because it was just too much blank space. You see, because the body is so big that it makes these speakers look small. So by drawing and filling out the space, it at least makes the speakers look a little bit bigger. All right. Then the brains of the operation, we have this beautiful karaoke amplifier. It's quite a beast. We have 2 mic ports. We have a USB. We have a TF, which is SD card. Then we have the buttons right here. Then we have an LED. We have an echo knob, we have a mic volume knob, we have a volume, we have a treble, we have a bass knob. Then we have a 12-volt input, we have an AC input as well. See, it even has a switch for AC power, so when the battery runs out, you can run this thing on AC power. Then we have a light switch right there. But I later found out, because I actually wired this switch for this light right here, but then I found out that it's only 5 to 8 volts. Imagine, this thing runs on 12 volts, but the switch is only 5 to 8 volts, so I couldn't run this 12 volt LED strip. Alright, then we have this beautiful container. Open it up. Boom. Look at that. We can store the batteries inside, or anything you want. You can even store a phone, or maybe just put some ice in there and have like a Coke or something, nice soda drink waiting for you. Yeah, anyway, that's it. This battery is too overpowered for the speaker. This LED strip is actually wired directly to the battery, so if you remove it, the LED strip switches off, which is a good thing, because you know when the battery is connected, right? If we lift this thing up, see, look how light it is. We can flip it around. Boom, just like that. Flip this thing around to show you my beautiful graffiti work. As you can see, I try to write the word boom box, boom box, right? I wanted to make a stencil, but then I realized for these big words, making a stencil would be hard. Anyway, that's the boom box. On the corners, I have plastic, both corners. The reason for the plastic is because it just adds a bit more protection, and basically it's still made out of cardboard, and if the corners deform, it would ruin the whole speaker. So by putting the plastic, even if the corners get damaged, you'll never know. And yeah, the reason the reason the speaker is made out of cardboard is because cardboard actually works when creating speakers. And it's super light, so that's why I can have such a monster.
hit the button, this is what it sounds like. Let's increase the volume.
Baby, take a chance. This kind of torment. Baby, take a chance.
Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. All right. Let's